Hey everyone, hope you're doing great. I have a question for you. Do you rely on tutorial videos to learn about new products? If yes, I am pretty sure you often face the challenge of finding the right video to learn from. Well, it's gonna be a breeze for you from now on. Launching Vmaker Learners Hub, a platform of curated tutorial videos of top software products right from Apple to Zoom. We've cherry-picked the best tutorial videos from the ocean of tutorials on YouTube so that you can save tons of time and stop contemplating which video to watch. Just visit Vmaker Learners Hub, search for the tutorial video that you're looking for, or select the product about which you are interested in learning. Our team of curators have spent a crazy amount of time finding the best videos for you, so you can be pretty sure that each video listed on Vmaker Learners Hub is the best one out there. Also, if you are someone who creates tutorial videos for software products, submit your videos on Vmaker Learners Hub and help the learners community discover new software products through your videos. Your videos also get greater exposure from the learners community. It's a win-win. You just have to click on submit a video, add the link to your tutorial video from YouTube, select a relevant category and hit submit. Our team of curators will review your video and publish it if it fits our prerequisites. That's it from this video. Do check out Vmaker Learners Hub and let me know what you think in the comment section. This is Josh signing off. Take care and bye.